Servant leadership in government. Leading through service. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic in the realm of leadership. Servant leadership. Specifically, we'll explore how this leadership approach can be applied in the governmental context. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand why the concept of serving might just be a game changer in politics and public administration. At its core, servant leadership is about putting others first. It revolves around the leader's primary motivation to serve others, be it their team, stakeholders, or the community. Rather than a top-down authoritative approach, servant leaders prioritize the needs of others, focusing on empowerment, development, and well-being. In many ways, government officials are inherently supposed to be public servants. But how often do we see this in action? 1. Public trust. Servant leadership can rebuild and maintain trust in government entities. When leaders genuinely serve their constituents, it fosters trust and cooperation. 2. Community needs. Government bodies are uniquely positioned to understand and address the diverse needs of a community. A servant leader prioritizes these needs, making sure resources are allocated efficiently and fairly. 3. Employee morale and retention. Within the bureaucratic structure, servant leadership can improve morale and increase the retention rate. By fostering an environment where employees feel valued and empowered, they are more likely to remain loyal and motivated. Throughout history, there have been many governmental figures who embodied servant leadership principles. 1. Nelson Mandela. Mandela's presidency in South Africa was marked by his dedication to serve the people and reconcile a nation. 2. José Mujica, the former president of Uruguay. Mujica was known for his humble lifestyle and prioritizing the well-being of his citizens over personal gain. While these are larger-than-life figures, servant leadership is applicable at all levels of government, from local town councils to national administrations. While the advantages of servant leadership are evident, there are challenges. 1. Bureaucratic resistance. Traditional governmental structures might resist the shift towards a more service-oriented leadership approach. 2. Public skepticism. Given past experiences, the public might be skeptical of politicians proclaiming a servant approach. 3. Balancing act. Leaders must balance serving their immediate teams with the broader needs of the community. However, with genuine intent and persistent efforts, these challenges can be navigated. Thank you for joining us in exploring servant leadership within the government context. Remember, true leadership is not about wielding power, but rather empowering and serving others. We hope this lesson inspires you to see leadership in a new light, whether you're in government, business, or any other field. Until next time, happy learning.